actually go run for it.
Coastal waters from South Santee
That
River
one,
to Edisto Beach, South Carolina, out 20
especially
nautical
ones,
miles.
probably with
Waters
no
from
peeping
South
toes.
Santee River, South Carolina to
Because
Edisto Beach,
I'm
South
always
Carolina,
late.
extending from 20 nautical miles to 40 nautical miles until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles south of Jimmy Leland to 9 nautical miles south of Chub Reef, moving north at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 35 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Capers Island Buoy, Hector Reef, Y73 Reef, Capers Reef, Bulls Bay, Edisto Buoy, Bull Breakers, Capers Midshelf, Cape Romaine Reef, Doug Mellerchuk Reef, Jimmy Leland Tug, Comanche Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.